Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can take a screenshot by simply swiping your palm across the screen like that. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down and tap on the settings button. In settings, swipe down and tap on advanced features. Then in here, tap on motions and gestures. Make sure you tap on palm swipe to capture on. So if it's off, tap on the switch to turn it on. Once it is on, you can simply swipe your palm across the screen like that to capture a screenshot. And you can see, so you just go from left to right or maybe from right to left. So it doesn't matter which way. And that will capture a screenshot. I'm wondering if you can swipe up. Does it work? So it doesn't work if you swipe up or down, but if you swipe it across like that, that will allow the phone to capture a screenshot. So it's much easier than pressing the button. Sometimes pressing the side button is a little bit harder, but you can still capture a screenshot by pressing the side button here. So you kind of like have to do it with two fingers. That's why I say it's a little bit harder to use the side button. So instead we can activate the palm swipe to capture a screenshot. That is much easier. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.